Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. Jens Davidson here once again. I wanted to show you guys a little simple trick on how to keep oils, wood finishes, etc. from drying out. Um, so this is really important with tung oil. This is not the tung oil right here. It's a pen polish, so it's got some friction hardening waxes and stuff like that in here. But anyway, same principle applies. I bought a bag of these little like semi-dome glass beads from Michael's, arts and crafts kind of store. And these are glass, therefore they're totally inert when it comes to oil finishes, etc. And the thing that you have to look out for when you get bottles of finishes is having air, residual air stored in there for long periods of time. That if you have something again like tung oil, it's going to air harden, and so you will, as I have done, lose a bottle if you don't do this step. The air that's trapped in the bottle will basically cure the oil, and you don't want that. So every time you use it, just drop some of these beads in there until you take up all of that void space. And as you use a little bit, add a couple more beads. And when you get to a point where you've basically exhausted all of this and the whole entire bottle is full of these glass beads, then you can simply cut the top off, empty your beads out, and whatever residual oil you have, you can either A, just call it a loss, or B, transfer it to a smaller bottle. But this, whoopsie daisy, this is a really easy step. So you can see I'm all the way up to, basically right up to the neck. See if we can fit one more in there. Yep, perfect. So that will take care of that problem. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Real simple and quick video. It'll definitely save your arse on finishes. I would definitely recommend this on boiled linseed oil too, because that's an oxidizing oil. All right, so thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe and stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next video.